Did you know that with the power of AI, you can create hit songs and potentially make $450 a day posting them online? Let me break it down for you. First off, let's talk about the massive audience potential. Imagine 154 million people listening to one song, making a staggering $500,000. But wait, it gets even better. This particular song was streamed by a whopping 1.3 billion people, making it the most streamed Jamaican song of all time. Mind-blowing, right? Now flashback to childhood dreams. Ever had a vision of topping the Billboard charts with your own song? Many of us have, including yours truly. I remember vividly the song my cousin and I wrote at age 10, fully convinced it would catapult us to fame and fortune. The chorus went something like, "Why won't you MYOB? Yes, we were ambitious, but reality hit hard when we realized our voices were average and our song mediocre. But hold on, fast forward to today. Thanks to beginner-friendly AI platforms, dreams can be resurrected. You don't need to be a seasoned singer or songwriter. AI can handle the heavy lifting, from crafting lyrics to creating beats. So how do you make $450 a day? Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. Step 1, write a hit song. And you know what? We're going to target kids and focus on that niche because kids are a lot more forgiving and certainly less judgmental. We're going to use this prompt in ChatGPT. Give me kids' educational song title ideas. And rock stars, as you can see, we got several here from that prompt. We're going to choose the first one, which is ABC Adventures. So next, you're going to enter a prompt in ChatGPT that says, write me a catchy, inspirational, educational song for kids titled ABC Adventures. You can obviously replace the song we're creating with whichever song you're going to be creating in the prompt. Step 2, create your song. Utilize AI platforms like Songwriting to bring your lyrics to life. Choose your singer, upload your lyrics, and let AI work its magic. You can even design album art to give your song a professional touch. Step 3, distribute your song. Platforms like DistroKid make it easy to upload your music to various streaming services. Aim for 100,000 streams a day across platforms like Spotify, YouTube, Apple Music, and SoundCloud. Now, let's talk numbers. For 100,000 streams on Spotify, you could earn $300 to $500. YouTube offers similar potential, with earnings ranging from $100 to $400. And don't forget about Apple Music, SoundCloud, and other online music stores. They all contribute to your revenue stream. Consistency is key. While reaching 100,000 streams may not happen overnight, regular releases and promotion can help you get there. And the best part? AI tools like Songwriting are accessible and affordable, making it possible for anyone to embark on their musical journey. So, whether you're a budding musician, a creative kid, or someone with dreams of stardom, the opportunity is within reach. With AI by your side, you can turn your passion for music into a lucrative online venture. It's time to make your mark in the digital music landscape. Are you ready to rock? And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.